Utang sabihin mo, ikaw sabihin mo sa ICC, I'm addressing to the ICC. Pumunta kayo dito at bibitayin ko dyan sa Akasya. Lo nila.
If one of these days the ICC will come, will you voluntarily submit yourself?
Sipain ko pa sila, ma'am.
But you said a while ago that if somebody will sponsor your fare to the ICC, you will voluntarily submit yourself to their investigation and jurisdiction.
Yes. Pero kung sila magpunta dito, sipain ko.
But will you confirm that you are willing to submit voluntarily yourself to ICC?
Punta ko doon, sipain ko rin sila. Same.
A few moments later.
I'm Rodrigo Roa Duterte. That's my first middle name is Roa. His surname is Duterte.